Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are doing good. I am Shoma Shaha Singh. Welcome to my channel Ami Tumi O Rong Tuli. Since Diwali is at the corner, so let's make a recycled night lamp. First, I take a plastic glass. I cut it. Now it's become a flower like this. So many flowers are here. Now I join this flower one by one. Look, my flower is ready. Now I fix it a lamp. How I fix this? Look at everyone. This is a cork light. Then I put it in this flower, middle of the flower. My night lamp is ready. So friends, this Diwali, you can make your own night lamp and celebrate the festival of lights with your own creations. You can also gift one of these to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy Diwali!